And with that, the 2024 is to an end.
To do this trend on Instagram without editing, just open Instagram, then go to Search option and search for the account named. Add yours now. After searching it, click on this account. Now, go to Reels section where you will find this video. Now to make yours, you just have to click on 3 dots on right side of your screen, and here you will find an option of Use Template. Click on Use Template, and then add yours photo and videos from the gallery. If you want to make the video like mine, then use the black background in the first section, and then you can add yours photos and videos accordingly. Now, after adding all your photos and videos, click on Next and then check your video. After checking it, click on Next and you're ready to post.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.